Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'll be showing you how to make pumpkin spice. Now there's no reason to go to the store and buy those expensive little containers of pumpkin pie spice when you can make it yourself at home. It's a few simple ingredients that I'm pretty sure you have inside your cabinet, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now to make this pumpkin pie spice, all we're going to need is 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of ground allspice, 1 teaspoon of ground clove, and 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now this recipe is going to yield us about 1/4 cup, and it's so much cheaper than the stuff that you get in the stores. All we're going to do is take all of our spices and mix them together with our tiny little whisk. You can stir this in an airtight container and it's good for up to 6 months. And it's that simple to make the pumpkin pie spice at home. Now you can also customize this. If you're not a fan of clove or nutmeg or ginger, you can back it off and you can really make this pumpkin pie spice recipe your own. Hope you enjoyed this video, so please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I have a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.